Hello beautiful naturals, welcome back to my channel. If you've been struggling to grow your natural hair and you've been thinking of starting a mini braid journey, here's a video you want to watch, because on today's video I'm going to be sharing with you my 4 months journey growing my hair with mini braids. So stick with me if you want to see how far I've come, how long my hair has grown, and learn some tips and tricks on how to grow your hair with mini braids. So guys, if you're not new here, you know I started my journey in January and my hair looked like this on the day one starting my mini braids, and now in May this is what my hair looks like. So for the period of 4 months I've been able to grow my hair this long. This should be an encouragement that if you want to retain length, if you want to grow your hair, you can start your mini braid journey today. So what is mini braids? Mini braids is a protective style where you put your natural hair in small braids as it goes, mini braids. This will help you manipulate your hair less and help you retain more length. So a lot of people are picking up this trend, and we are rocking mini braids. As you can see, I have beads on my hair. So I will be also sharing with you some things I've noticed and some things I would prefer you do if you're starting this mini braid challenge. One of which is, do not make your braids so tiny. So if you noticed, the first 2 months I did the first 4 months of my journey, because I'm heading to 5 months now. The first 4 months of my journey I had my braids very tiny, but I had increased the size. I don't know if you can see my braids. So I've increased the size of my braid because it's easier to take down and you lose less hair when your braids are bigger. You know, taking down tiny braids, some of them may tangle, and since they are so small, any little pull can take down your hair. So I believe you'll be able to retain more hair if your braids are not too tiny. So you want to go between mini and midi, or just go for midi braids instead of like the mini braids. But if your hair is very healthy, you're fine with mini, it's also okay. I just seem to prefer it not so small. Number two, I opted for loose braids because I also feel like, since I always carry my hair for 2 months before taking down, I use products, though I wash my hair once every 2 weeks. So I use a lot of products on my hair, and I feel like with the loose braids I'm going to be able to get more products on my hair and absorb it better than when I'm with tight braids. So that's what I changed about my hair after my first 4 months. I changed from tight braids to loose braids. So I'm just going to be showing you so far my journey. So here is January, you can see my growth. Here is February, here is March, April, and May. So this has been my growth so far, and I'm happy with where I'm at. For advantages and disadvantages, I would like to say the advantage of doing mini braids is it helps you retain length, it helps you take care of your hair without stressing your strands, it helps you just be versatile. You can rock your wigs, you can still rock your natural hair, you know. The only disadvantage I would say is you cannot make other hairstyles on mini braids. Like, you can't have your hair in cornrows and all your ponytail gels and all of that. I think that's the only disadvantage of it. Well, there are more advantages than disadvantages. Just make sure you wash your hair regularly, spray your hair with water, use essential oils, and just take care of your scalp. Make sure your scalp is clean. So long as your scalp is clean, your hair will keep on growing, and since you don't take it down so frequently, you'll be able to retain length. If you continue this journey, I'm sure in 1 year you'll be able to grow your hair better than you've even grown in the whole years you've been growing your natural hair. So just to join me on this journey, and drop comments if you've started and how you've been seeing your growth so far. Thanks for stopping by, and seeing you in my next video. Mwah.